Normally, before we lay the foundation at a site, the trench. If we want to know which type of foundation we should use, first we take a test pit, that is one test pit. For that, there are 4 methods. 4 sides, 1 height, 4 like that. Once we take such a test pit, we can understand the composition of the soil. Sometimes we might need to dig a little deeper. If we don't do that, and if we're building a multi-story building with a second, third, and more floors, without just a ground floor or first floor, then we need to do soil exploration. We have to test the soil, because just like when we dig a bore well, they come and take samples. Sometimes it's 10 meters, or we calculate it based on the hard strata. That's how we determine it. There are also laboratory tests for this, so only after taking the soil sample and testing it do we decide whether to proceed with the file, or if a simple footing is enough, or if we need to go for a hard strata, in which case we might need to use black stone and such. We make those decisions after the tests. In normal cases, for houses, just taking a basic test is enough. If we take the depth for the pit, we can understand it from that itself. But if it's a taller building, there are people who conduct soil pressure tests. By calling them, we can find out the composition of our land. If it's a large area, sometimes we might have to take 2 or 3 samples instead of just 1. After discussing it for a second like this, we can confirm how many are needed.